Hi everyone. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம 11th எக்கனாமிக்ஸ்ல இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் நம்ம இப்போ இந்த வீடியோல பார்க்க போறோம். இதுல இருக்க எல்லா லெசன்ல இருக்க 2 மார்க்ஸ் 3 மார்க்ஸ் 5 மார்க்ஸோட இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே பார்த்துக்கலாம். இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் மட்டும் நீங்க பார்த்து படிச்சாலே போதும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் பாருங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 மார்க் எக்கனாமிக்கோட மீனிங், தென் செகண்ட் மைக்ரோ எக்கனாமிக்ஸோட டெஃபினிஷன், தேர்ட் கூட்ஸ், வாட் ஆர் கூட்ஸ், ஃபோர்த் ஒன் டிஸ்டிங்யூட்ஸ் கூட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் சர்வீஸ், அதாவது கூட்ஸ்க்கும் சர்வீஸ்க்கும் இருக்க டிஸ்டிங்யூட்ஸ் பிட்வீன். Name any two types of utilities and positive economics ஓட definition. Factors of protection என்னென்னதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டு classify பண்றது. Define labor, state the protection functions, define marginal product of factor, what is ISO cost line, what are the reason for upward sloping supply curve, define utility, mention the classification of wants, what are the degrees of price elasticity of demand, what the meaning of indifferent curves, write the formula of consumer surplus, what are given goods, why, define cost function, define revenue, explicit cost, give the definition of real cost, then meaning of sunk cost, definition of market, who is price taker, what is selling cost, draw demand curve of a firm for the following: perfect competition and monopoly ல வந்து நம்ம demand curve draw பண்றது. Then mention any two types of price discriminations. Then 13th question, what is mean by distributions, mention the types of distributions, define rent, distinguish between real and money wages, what do you mean by interest, profit, what is profit, meaning of liquidity preference, meaning of economic growth, two futures of developed economics, write the short note on natural resource, point out any one futures of Indian economics, meaning of non-renewable energy, short note on sense choice of techniques, what are the phases of colonial exploitations of India, name out the different types of land tenure existed in India before independence, list out the weakness of green revolutions, what are the objectives of 10th fifth year plan, what is difference between HDI and PQLI, state the reason for implementing LPG, state the meaning of privatizations, define disinvestment, state the meaning of special economic zone, define rural economic, what do you mean by rural development, rural poverty definition, open unemployment definition, distinguished unemployment meaning, cottage industry definitions, meaning of microfinance, rural electrification definitions, and state any two factors hindering rural electrification of India, state any two districts with a favorable sex ratio, indicate the ratios, GSDP definitions, mention any 4 food crops which are favorable to Tamil Nadu, what are the major ports in Tamil Nadu, heritage tourism meaning, what are the nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu, micro industry definitions, main menace of MS Word, what is the formula for elasticity of a supply if you know the supply functions. இந்த 17 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் உங்க புக்ல த்ரூ அவுட் ஃபுல் புக்ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு 2 மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் 2 மார்க்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. இந்த 2 மார்க்ஸ் வரைக்கும் நீங்க படிச்சா போதும். அடுத்து 3 மார்க்ஸ் பாருங்க. Explain the scarcity definition of economic and assess it, different types of economic activities, different futures of service, important futures of utility, distinguish between microeconomics and macroeconomics, compare positive economic and normative economic, describe the futures of human wants, mention the relationship between marginal utility and the total utility, explain the theory of consumer surplus, distinguish between extensions and contractions of demand, what are the properties of indifference curve, characteristics of land, factors governing elasticity of supply, the functions of entrepreneurs, explain the elasticity of supply, bring out the relationship among total average and the marginal product, illustrate the concept of producer equilibrium, state the Cobb-Douglas production functions, distinguish between fixed cost and variable cost, difference between money cost and real cost, distinguish between explicit cost and implicit cost, define opportunity cost and provide an example, State the relationship between AC and MC. Another AC, MC na average cost and marginal cost. Write a short note on marginal revenue. Discuss the long run cost curve with a suitable diagrams. What are the futures of a market? State the meaning of selling cost with an example. Differentiate between firm and industries. State the futures of duopoly. List out the kinds of wages. Distinguish between rent and quasi-rent. Describe briefly the innovation theory of profit. Write a short note on risk bearing theory of profit. Economic development definition. State Ambedkar economic ideas and agriculture economics. Short note on village Sarvodaya. Write the strategies of Jawaharlal Nehru in India planning. Write the VKRV Rao's contribute on multiplier concept. Write a short note on welfare economic given by Amartya Sen. Explain social infrastructures. Explain about the period of a merchant capital. The handicraft declined in India in British period. Why? Illustrate the different types of land tenure system in colonial. State the reason for nationalization of commercial bank. Write any three objectives of industrial policy 1991. Give a note on 25-year plan. What is PQLI? What are the measures taken towards globalization? Write a note on foreign investment policy. Give short note on cold storage. Mention the functions of APMC. What is GST? Write its advantage. State the importance of rural development. Explain the cause of rural backwardness. Enumerate the remedial measures to rural poverty. Write a note on regional rural bank. Then 57th one, mention the futures of SHGS. List out the objectives of Mudra Bank. Write a note on mineral resource in Tamil Nadu. Explain GSDP in Tamil Nadu. Describe development of textile industry in Tamil Nadu. Compare productivity of any two food crops between Tamil Nadu and India. Explain the prospect for development of tourism. What are the renewable source of power in Tamil Nadu? Illustrate the uses of mathematical methods in economics. Solve for x quantity demanded if 16x minus 4. What are the steps involved in an executive MS Excel sheet? These are the most 3 mark important questions throughout the economic subjects. Then 5 mark பாருங்க. Compare and contrast various definitions of economics. Explain various divisions of economics. Elaborate the nature and scope of economics. Explain basic problem of the economics. The help of protections possibility curve. Explain the law of demand and its exceptions. The law of diminishing marginal utility with the diagrams. Explain the law of equimarginal utility. Examine the law of variable proportion with the help of diagrams. List out the properties of isoquants with the help of diagrams. Elucidate the law of a return to scale. Illustrate. Explain the internal and external economics of scale. If a total cost is equal to 10 plus Q3, find out AC, AVC, TFC, AFC when Q is equal to 5. Discuss the short run cost curve with a suitable diagram. Bring out the relationship between average revenue and the marginal revenue curves under various price conditions. Bring out the futures of perfect competition. How price and output are determined under the perfect competitions. Describe the futures of oligopoly. Illustrate price and output determination under monopolies. Explain price and output determined under monopolist competitions with the help of diagram. Explain the marginal productivity theory of distributions. Illustrate the Ricardian theory of rent. Elucidate the loanable fund theory of interest. Explain strong futures in Indian economy. Write the importance of mineral resource in India. Write the briefly note on Gandhian economic ideas. Discuss about the Indian economic during British periods. Explain the role of SSI's economic development. Explain the objectives of nationalizations of commercial bank. Describe the performance of 12th 5-year plan in India. Explain the objectives and the characteristics of a SEZ. Describe the salient features of EXMI policies 2015 to 2020. The futures of rural economic are a peculiar argue. discuss the problem of rural economic, analyze the causes for rural independence, describe the qualitative aspects of populations, explain the various source of energy in Tamil Nadu, explain the public transport system in Tamil Nadu, what are the ideas of information and communication ethnology used in economics. இதெல்லாம் தான் உங்களுக்கு த்ரூ அவுட் த 11th ஃபுல் புக்ல இருக்க 5 மார்க்ஸ் இம்பார்ட்டன்டான 5 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன சப்ஜெக்டுக்குள்ள இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் என்ன வேணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீங்க கமெண்ட் பண்ணிடுங்க. தேங்க்யூ.